Harold.
Yes, Harold.
Jack.
No, George.
Gordon.
No, Terence. You're doing it wrong again.
I'm gonna get some right. Barney.
I don't know who is that.
Scooby.
No, Toby. You're doing it wrong again.
I'm trying. Lady.
Yes. Sit down.
Charlie.
No, you're doing it wrong again. It's Harvey.
Okay, hang on. Diesel 10.
Yes. Murdoch.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. What's his name?
Murdoch.
Murdoch. Hang on.
Henry.
Yeah, Henry.
Yes.
Who else have we got? Oh, don't tell me. That's George.
No, Rookie.
Okay, alright.
We already done George.
Did we?
Yeah.
I missed him. I know these two.
Andy and
Frank?
No, Andy and Clarabelle.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What about... This is Spanky?
No, Cranky. Cranky.
Where is... Paul?
No, Hector.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Still in front. Still in front. Hector. Movie car. Miss Daisy. Look, Daisy. It's Daisy.
Daisy.
It's Daisy.
Hang on, there's more.
There's more. There.
Steve.
No, Jack.
What's his...
It's Jack.